Okay, so we're on to question 6, and what we need to do here is just sketch the graph to begin with. Actually, 9 marks, and I don't think these 9 marks are particularly hard, so I change this to 10s. So when I sketch, I can see straight away that I've got x plus 3 is going to be an asymptote here. And also, as I make x a large number, x plus 4 is the other asymptote. So somewhere like this. And you can just go to your calculator and you can then sketch exactly what you need. The only thing I really need are the points that it goes through here. So if I home in on these, I think we have 0, a third, and this one here is a quarter and 0. So that's fine. You might, just as long as you label this one as x equals 3 and this one y equals 4, and there's your sketch all done. Next, find f505. So I'm going to put 5 into the function to begin with. When I put 5 into that function up here, I get 19 over 2. So this is basically the same as f 19 over 2. So then I put f 19 over 2 into the function, and it gives me 5.69 approximately. Find the inverse. So y is equal to 4x minus 1 divided by x minus 3. We multiply out that fraction, so we have xy take away 3y's equals 4x minus 1. We'll have all the x's on one side and anything without an x on the other side. We'll factorise the right side. And now we've got x is equal to 1 minus 3y divided by 4 minus y. And so that basically means that my inverse is then to swap the x's and y's out. So get 1 minus 3x's, take away 4, take away x. So there's my inverse. Next, it just says write down. So the vertical asymptote of 1 over fx. So this is where I need to go back to my graph. The vertical asymptote is where fx equals 0 here. And that one there is the quarter. So that's going to give me x equals a quarter. And the vertical asymptote of f to the minus 1x, that comes from underneath the bracket there, what x can't be, which is, if I make x 4, then we divide by 0. So that's my vertical asymptote there. So actually 9 marks, quite a straightforward question.